everybody. Welcome to Late Night Baking with Vale. And on tonight's episode, we're going to be making chocolate chip cookies. So, to get started, we have 1 stick or a half cup of butter, unsalted butter, 3/4 cup of granulated white sugar, 3/4 cup of packed light brown sugar, 2 eggs, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, a teaspoon of baking soda, and a half teaspoon of salt. And here I have a cup of chocolate chips. I have half a cup of mini semi-sweet chocolate chips and a half cup of dark chocolate chips. Let's get started. So we're gonna first start off by creaming our butter and both our sugars until it's light and fluffy. Make sure you scrape down the sides every once in a while to make sure everything is fully incorporated. So now we're gonna mix in our eggs one at a time. Be sure to be careful with these. These are a hot commodity. So now that those are all mixed in, you can add in your 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. So now to our flour, we're gonna add in our baking soda and our salt. Now we're gonna add in about half of our flour mixture, mix it up, and then add in our next half.
Hydration break!
Brought to you by
hydration is important. This has been a PSA from water.
Get out of my shot, dude!
Shit, my bad, bro.
Finally, we're gonna add in our chocolate chips. I want more chocolate, so I'm gonna put some on. Alright, and now our dough is all ready to go. Alright, and now that our dough is ready, we're gonna get our cookie trays and scoop out these cookies. Let's get started. So now we have our cookie sheet lined with some parchment paper, and I'm going to be just using a little ice cream scoop to scoop these out onto our tray. Now these are ready to go into the oven at 350 degrees for about 8 to 10 minutes.
Into the oven!
Into the oven. And here they are, our chocolate chip cookies. So using our tablespoon size scoop, we were able to get around 42 cookies. And now it's time to try them out. And helping us out today, the man, the myth, the legend, Mr. Echale.
So, I've reluctantly been called into action to try some of these cookies. This is a difficult part of the job. You know, this is hard labor. A man's gotta do what a man's gotta do. And that's some hard labor. So, let's try them out. They're crispy, soft, chewy. Perfect cookie. Made by Miss Vale. And that we hope you enjoy. Be sure to check out the full recipe down in the description, and we'll have a recipe card out really soon. And as always, make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and share. And as always,
Stay safe, stay awesome.
Peace.
Cut!